See, we're gonna get down on just a little bit of three-string trance boogie. I've been in the doghouse. I guess that's just where I belong. That's just the way to down the road. Hear my doghouse song. It ain't the kind of blues you have for one day. You have it your whole life long. You got to be a professional. Sing the doghouse song. Well, I'm gonna tell you my story. So my mom and daddy broke out when I was 4 years old. When I was 7, she went and got herself a stepdaddy. I left home before I was 14 years of age. Figured I'd do a little better on my own. Thanks to you. So I don't know why things went wrong. It ain't bad now. So I just keep playing my doghouse music. Sing the doghouse song.